Is your Windows PC crashing randomly? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you simple steps to troubleshoot and fix Windows crash. Let's get started. Step number 1. Check for Windows updates. Outdated system files can cause crash. Here's how to update your PC. Press Win+I to open Settings. Go to Update and Security, Windows Update. Click Check for updates and install any available updates. Keeping Windows updated can fix bugs and improve system stability. Step number 2. Scan and repair corrupt system files. Corrupt files can crash your PC. Let's fix them. In search, type cmd and open command prompt as administrator. Type sfc, scano and press enter. Wait for the scan to complete and follow any on-screen instructions. This will repair damaged system files and improve stability. Step number 3. Update or reinstall drivers. Faulty drivers can cause crash, so let's check them. Press Win+X and select Device Manager. Look for devices with a yellow warning sign. Right-click and select Update Driver or Uninstall Device, then restart your PC. Updating drivers ensures smooth system performance. That's it. These simple steps will help you troubleshoot Windows crash. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. See you in the next one.